Hi everyone, I am Priyanka Badge and I'll be your sugar makeup expert for today. The sun is very hot this season, isn't it? So today I'll be showing you few makeup tips and tricks for summer which will help your makeup last longer. So let's start with that makeup which will not come off until you take it off. Before starting my makeup, I'll first prep my skin to remove any excess oil from my face. Since the weather is hot and I want my skin to breathe, I'll skip foundation and use BB cream instead. So I'll start off with the Sugar Cosmetics Goddess of Flawless SPF 30 BB Cream in the shade 01 Latte. To start off, I'll take a pea-size amount at the back of my hand. Using my fingertips, I'll be taking some of the product and dab it under my eyes, also on any other problem areas to even out my skin. This product has an ultra lightweight formula which is great for your skin because your skin won't feel cakey. Also, it is highly moisturizing and it has an SPF which is great for summers. So as you can see how easily this is blending. Isn't this a great BB cream? Because you do not feel cakey and this looks super flawless on my skin. So as we go about the day, our makeup starts melting, and to lock this in place, we will be using the Sugar Cosmetics As Nude As It Gets SPF 15 Compact, again in the shade 01 Latte. So with the help of this sponge, I will be patting this all over my face. So I'll dab this more on my T-zone as that is the place where I tend to get more oil. So the next step is eyeliner. I will be using the I Want You So Double Matte Eyeliner in 01 Black Swan. This is a great eyeliner because it will last for 17 hours and it won't budge all day long. As you can see, it is beautiful matte finish and it is really dark. So that's how it is.
Isn't it perfect and nice?
So the next step is lips. For my lips, I'll be using the Sugar Cosmetics Sweat Secret Matte Lip Color in 06 Taffeta Terracotta. I will be using the matte liquid lipsticks over any other cream lipsticks because matte lipsticks tend to last for a long time. As you can see, the formula on this lipstick is really amazing. It is so smooth and it's gliding perfectly. As you can see, this lip color gives a beautiful velvety matte finish to the lips and this will last up to 17 hours. So I hope you have enjoyed this video and the tips and tricks I've shared with you. I'll see you all next time. Bye!